Welcome you all. Today we are going to discuss normal vibrations of water molecule. Here it is water molecule. It is a non-linear triatomic molecule. This triatomic molecule consists of 3 atoms. So N is equal to 3. Here 2 H atoms are bonded to an oxygen atom. Its structure is bent with an HOH angle of 104.5 degree. Here its degree of freedom is 3n. The vibrational degree of freedom for non-linear molecules is 3n minus 6. So 3 into 3 minus 6 equal to 9 minus 6 equal to 3. Therefore, this water molecule has 3 normal modes of vibration. They are symmetric stretching, bending and asymmetric stretching vibrations. Here, the atoms move in phase with a simple harmonic motion in each normal mode. Because of non-linear, this water molecule experiences oscillating dipole moment, so water molecule is infrared active. First we see symmetric stretching vibration. This mode of vibration is labeled as nu1. Here the atoms move in phase and there are same displacement of 2 OH bonds. It occurs at the wave number of 3652 per centimeter. This mode is infrared active and an absorption band is observed at 3652 per centimeter in the infrared spectra of water molecule. Then this is symmetric bending vibration. This mode of vibration is labeled as nu2. This mode corresponds to a bending of the molecule about the HOH bond angle theta. This bending vibration is known as scissoring vibration. The bending motion does produce change in dipole moment and so it is infrared active. And an absorption band is observed at 1597 per centimeter in the infrared spectra of a water molecule. Then this is asymmetric stretching vibration. This mode of vibration is labeled as nu3. Here there is stretching at one end and compression at the other end. This produces change of dipole moment and hence the molecule is infrared active and an absorption band is observed at 3756 per centimeter in the infrared spectra of water molecule. Here the arrow marks represents the relative atomic displacements. Here, this is the spectra of water molecule. It has 3 peaks. One peak observed at 3756 per centimeter and this corresponds to asymmetric stretching. The other band observed at 3657 per centimeter and it corresponds to symmetric stretching. Then the other peak observed at 1597 per centimeter and this corresponds to symmetric bending. Here the bending absorption happens at a lower wave number than the two stretching modes because it takes less energy to bend a bond than to stretch. Here, all the modes are infrared active and 3 absorption bands are observed. Thank you.